In this video, I'll show you how to order from TaoBao using your phone. To get started, open the TaoBao app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the product you want to purchase. Browse through the search results and tap on a product to view more details. After reviewing the product details, tap the Buy Now button at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the required variations such as the color, size, and quantity, and then tap Buy Now again to confirm your selection. On the Confirm Order page, first enter your shipping address at the top. Then, choose your preferred shipping method. Scroll down to review your order summary, select a payment method, and carefully enter your payment details. Once everything is correct, tap Pay Now to complete your purchase. After the payment is successful, your order will be submitted and it will be delivered within the estimated delivery time shown in the app. And that's it.